Hello guys, welcome back to channel. Guys, right now in front of you Canon Pixma and the model number is MG3640S. The issue is with the encoding strip. Okay, what is the problem exactly? I gave the print test page command from my computer. Let it print and I will show you what is the issue. Meanwhile, you can see the text is showing double shadow. Okay, text is showing double shadow. Okay, printer is printing the test page, so let it print. It's take the paper and you will see. Okay, here we go. You can see text is not clear. It's printing double shadow. Okay, if you will draw lines, the lines will not print straight, will zigzag. Look here, look at this. Look, desktop G, how it's misprint or is showing shadow or zigzag or double text. What is the issue? I already mentioned many times in my videos. Whenever you will see the zigzag text or wavy text on your printout, you have to see first of all encoding strip. Okay, here we go. If you will see right now in encoding strip, look here, this is encoding strip. Okay, and this is some grease on the encoding strip, so you have to clean the grease and then we will check. So carefully insert your hand inside with the paper napkin, or you can say tissue paper, and clean it with your both fingers like this. Clean the grease from encoding strip. Okay, no more grease on the encoding strip. This was the grease that previously on encoding strip, that was the issue. So we will close the front cover and I will give again a new test page to print. You can see in the initial print you see the text over here, and now there is a difference. Okay, there is no more double text or wavy text. Before it was wavy text, now totally clear. So this was the issue with the printer's encoding strip. If your printer is printing double images, double text, wavy text, zigzag lines, so you have to clean the encoding strip. If you have any other question regarding any inkjet printer, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.